Every night, when your eyes close and the world disappears, a powerful process begins inside your body. Sleep, something so ordinary, is one of the most advanced biological healing systems ever created. Yet most people underestimate it. Inside your brain, sleep activates the glymphatic system, a cleansing network discovered only in 2012. During deep sleep, cerebrospinal fluid flows through brain tissue, removing toxins and metabolic waste that build throughout the day. One of these toxins is beta amyloid, linked to Alzheimer's disease. Without sleep, it accumulates. With sleep, it is flushed out. But sleep does far more than clean the brain. It resets your entire physiology. As you enter deep sleep, your body releases growth hormone, triggering repair of muscles, bones, and tissues. This is the same hormone children use to grow and adults use to heal. Without deep sleep, recovery slows, injuries take longer, and aging accelerates. Your immune system also depends on sleep. During the night, the body produces T cells, cytokines, and natural killer cells, the same cells that fight infections, viruses, and cancer. Research shows that even one night of poor sleep can weaken immune response by up to 70%. That's why after stress, travel, or long work hours, illness follows. Sleep also shapes your metabolism. Two hormones, ghrelin and leptin, are controlled by sleep. Ghrelin makes you hungry. Leptin tells you when you're full. When you lack sleep, ghrelin increases and leptin decreases. So you eat more, but feel less satisfied. This is why chronic poor sleep is linked to obesity and diabetes. And then there's the brain. During REM sleep, neurons communicate in unique electrical patterns. This process strengthens memory, learning, emotional regulation, and creativity. Studies show that sleep improves decision-making, problem-solving, and reaction time, more than caffeine or motivation ever could. Athletes who sleep more perform better. Students who sleep well remember more. Workers who rest make fewer mistakes. Sleep shapes intelligence. Yet today, more than 1.2 billion people worldwide struggle to sleep enough. Modern technology, blue light, late-night scrolling, caffeine, stress, is rewiring human sleep patterns in ways evolution never prepared us for. And where there is struggle, business follows. The global sleep market is now worth over $600 billion. Mattresses, pills, gadgets, sleep apps, blackout curtains, supplements. Companies profit from exhaustion. Some airlines now sell sleep pods. Hotels advertise deep sleep environments. Even tech giants invest in sleep data, because bad sleep is now a global epidemic. Meanwhile, some cultures protect sleep. Scandinavia teaches sleep hygiene in schools. Japan introduced inamori, public napping, as a sign of discipline. Traditional societies rest with nature's rhythm, not screens. Science is very clear. You can survive weeks without food, but only days without sleep. When you sleep, your heart gets a break, your mind resets, your hormones rebalance, your cells repair, and your immune system rebuilds. So the next time your body slows down and your eyes begin to close, remember, you are not wasting time. You are protecting your future. Sleep is not laziness. Sleep is medicine. Sleep is survival. Sleep is life's quiet engineer. Imagine that.